In case if you want to get notification from an important application such as WhatsApp, even though you have enabled do not disturb mode in your Samsung device, then what you do is go to settings, go to apps. After that, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to open WhatsApp application. Open WhatsApp, then go to notifications. So first thing is this show notifications should be enabled, and under this chat show notifications also should be enabled. Now go to group notifications if you want to receive notifications from a group, and also here show notifications should be on. Then sound also you can leave it as default notification sound. Notification style you can select sound and pop-up, but the most important thing here is you have to enable this option ignore do not disturb. Similarly, go back and go to message notifications. So this will be for a single contact, not a group. And here also show notification should be on. Notification style should be sound and pop-up, and for sound you can leave it as default. And the most important thing here is you have to make sure that ignore do not disturb is enabled, so that you will receive notification even though do not disturb mode is on. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.